What is up with you guys? Jaden niya again and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, I will be talking about BDO. Personally, I not naman hate BDO no, but I'm not really a fan of BDO. In fact, nag-decide ako na i-close na yung mga accounts ko kay BDO for several reasons. Actually, nagawan ko na yan ng mga videos in the past. I think yung pinakamadami kong views, no, sinabi ko na BDO is such an underrated bank for me. And yun nga yung mga reason ko doon na discuss ko naman. Pero for some reason, lalo nitong mga recent na transactions ko, no, sa iba't ibang mga tao, na-realize ko na parang kahit gaano ko ka-hate or kahit gaano ako hindi ka fan ni BDO, I think kailangan ko pa rin magkaroon ng account with them. And in this video, I will be sharing my thoughts. Why do I still need an account with BDO despite the fact na hindi ako nila fan, no? Or hindi naman like hate, pero I feel like very overrated nga sila, no? So that's what I will be discussing in this video. If you're interested to this kind of content, you guys know what to do. Please keep on watching.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're here for quite some time now, welcome back. In my YouTube channel, I'm doing reviews, reactions, and also vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will appreciate if you will click that subscribe button there, guys. Help me reach 30,000 subscribers, no? Kaka 20,000 lang natin, guys. Super thank you. So, sige. I have several cards here kasi naisipan ko rin gumawa ng kung ano bang mas magandang savings, no? Is it GoTyme or Maya? Abangan nyo yan, no? After this video about BDO. And also, naisipan ko rin gumawa kung ano ba yung sulit na membership card, no? Is it Landers or is it SNR? Kasi parehas naman ako merong membership card sa dalawa na yan, no? So, but again, for this video, guys, I decided to make a content about BDO despite the fact na hate ko sila or hindi ako fan, no, ng services nila. I still realize that I still need an account with them, no? So, actually, hindi pa naman ako nag-open ulit ng account with them, ng savings account. But I'm really considering to open an account with them. Siguro, i-update ko na lang kayo in the days to come or matutuloy ba yung pag-open ko ulit ng account with them. So, just to give you like a gist or a background, ang una ko talagang bank account way back pa, no? More than a decade ago, yung BDO talaga. Kasi aminin naman natin, yung BDO talaga yung pinakamalaki na bank sa Philippines, no? I mean, hindi lang sila malaki but I think the richest din, no, when it comes to assets. By the way, guys, I will also make a video about the largest and the richest banks, no, in the Philippines. Specifically this 2025 kasi meron na akong list na nakuha ko rin naman, no, from reliable sources. So, I will be sharing that with you. Kung kayo yung tao na parang syempre very considerate kayo dun sa asset nila, diba? Kung gaano sila kalaki, kung gaano sila kayaman para magkaroon kayo ng kumpiyansa na mag-open ng account with them. So that video will be for you. So sige guys, ang dami kong daldal but then again in this video, no, na-realize ko na wala, kailangan ko talaga ng account with BDO kahit na ayoko sila. Kasi I have several accounts naman na, like with BPI, with Metrobank. I also have some digital banks, no? Tapos of course may mga e-wallets rin ako. Pero yun nga, because of mga current events sa life ko, na-realize ko na kailangan ko ng BDO. Kasi yung mga ka-transaction ko nito mga nakaraang linggo, puro BDO yung accounts nila. So it will be much easier for them if I have a BDO account as well. Kasi diba, BDO to BDO na. Kaya lang dahil nga I have a BPI, I have a Metrobank accounts, meron din naman ako sa Landbank and also yung own bank, tsaka yung basta yung mga other digital banks, no? So medyo challenging for them. So by the way guys, these are the cards na meron ako with BDO. Ito yung debit ko, tapos ito yung credit card. Expired na to guys, matagal na tong expired, no? So huwag kayong mag-alala, no, sa details. Kaya ako naman nilalagay dyan kasi expired na, hindi nyo na mapapakinabangan yung details na yan. But yeah, sabi ko nga sa inyo, even yung credit card ko, the very first credit card I owned was actually from BDO. Kasi naman talaga yung savings account ko, the very first savings account was with them as well, with BDO, no? Kaya lang nga, ang dami kong issue sa kanila, Una, ang pangit-pangit ng application nila, considering sobrang laki nilang bangko. Hindi lang ba naman sila nag-upgrade, no, ng maayos na application. Parang sobrang luma. Tapos isa din sila sa pinakamahal na fee, no? Pag mga transaction fee when you have to transfer your money from their account to another account. Tapos minsan yung teller nila hindi rin helpful, ganun. Tapos sobrang haba ng, alam mo yun, ang pila dun sa mga bangko nila, no? But despite that, I realized na wala, ang pinakamalaking bangko pa rin talaga sa Pilipinas ay BDO, no? Parang ano lang yan kumbaga sa e-wallet, 'di ba? Meron tayong GCash, yan yung number 1 talaga. So, andali pag GCash to GCash. Ganun din, same is true, no, when it comes to magde-deposit ka ng pera sa ibang account. Napansin ko na halos lahat ng tao talaga may BDO account. So, parang ako lang nga yata yung wala, kasi naman hindi dahil sa hindi ko kaya mag-open ng account with them. Kayang-kaya ko naman. It's just that hindi lang talaga ako fan ng services nila at saka ng bangko nila in general, no? Kaya lang yun nga, wala akong choice kasi talaga namang halos lahat ng kakilala ko mayroong BDO account. So again, alam mo yon, parang nakapag-decide na nga ako most likely 90% na sige mag-open na lang ako ulit ng account with BDO. I-update ko kayo kung matuloy man, but that's basically the reason. Another reason for me, bukod sa halos lahat ng mga katransa ko ay may BDO account, another reason is yung ATM machines nila or ATM kasi redundant na pala pag ATM machines, no? Yung ATM nila, obviously sandamakmak yung ATM nila, and kasi nung mga nakaraan na experience ko na 'di ba I have to withdraw money from my BPI account. Ang hassle kasi sa SM, for instance, ilan lang yung BPI, 2, 3, no? Tapos ang lalayo pa ng agwat. Lalo sa SM Fairview kasi ako malapit, sobrang layo ng agwat, no, ng mga BPI na ATM. At saka Metrobank. Actually, I also have an account with Metrobank. Pero sobrang nahahassle ako kapag nasa SM ako. Unlike syempre pag BDO na ATM, grabe magkakatabi, 'di ba? Hindi ka mahahassle kasi sa laki ng SM Fairview, sandamakmak din ang ATM ng BDO doon. So, imagine very convenient din, no, when you have a BDO account kasi alam naman natin ang may-ari ng BDO is also the same owner ng SM. So, talagang kalat 'yan, 'di ba? Sa buong mall sa Pilipinas. And even sa labas, kitang-kita naman sandamakmak din yung mga ATMs nila. Kaya din sabi ko, wala talaga akong choice. I really have to open an account with BDO kasi yun talaga yung convenient, no? Hindi lang sa mga transactions ko, mga ATMs rin, no? Parang it will be much easier for me kung meron nga akong BDO account. Ngayon, hindi ko lang sigurado sa application nila. Pero narinig ko dun sa kaibigan ko, maganda naman na raw. I mean, nag-improve na kumpara from before na ginagamit ko siya ng matagal. Yun lang naman yung nagpa-off sa akin talaga. At saka, ayun nga, medyo madami rin naman. Pero, sige, I will give BDO a try this time. Kasi wala rin naman akong choice, no? But it doesn't necessarily mean na fan ako niya, no, ng BDO. Nakita ko lang talaga na malaki siyang bangko, and madami siyang depositors, and very convenient if I have a BDO account, lalo na sa mga transactions ko with other people, mga kaibigan ko and all that. And also, yun nga, sandamakmak yung mga ATM sila everywhere. Sobrang convenient kung meron akong account. So, update ko kayo guys. Hopefully, I'll be able to open an account with them again. Kasi, yun nga, meron pa nga ako dating passbook with them eh. So, medyo gamay na gamay ko talaga ang BDO. Kasi yan talaga yung dati ko pang account, no? But yeah guys, I'll try to update you, hopefully. But for now, let me hear your thoughts, no? What do you think? Do you agree or disagree, no, with everything I've said here? Yeah, that's all for now, guys. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye-bye.
The way your body syncopates.